multiplication, right? So today we will learn about multiplication. So what is multiplication, how we are going to define it, we will learn in this video. Okay, so let us do one simple activity. Okay, we will be having four boxes: box 1, box 2, box 3 and box 4. Okay, so we are taking four boxes, and in each box we are keeping four balls. Okay, in box 1 we are keeping four balls, in box 2 we are keeping four balls, in box 3 we are keeping four balls, and in box 4 we are keeping four balls. So we have four boxes, and in each box we have kept four balls, right? So now tell me, total how many number of balls are there? So what we will do, we will add it, right? In a box 1 we have four balls, in a box 2 we have four balls, in a box 3 we have four balls, and in a box 4 we have four balls. So total what we will get, 4 plus 4 will give you 8, and again 4 will give you 12, and again 4 will give you 16, right? So what will you observe, what do you observe from this activity? So what we have observed is we are adding number 4 again and again, right? We are adding number 4 one time, two times, three times, four times, right? So multiplication is nothing but adding same number again and again. Okay, if we are adding a number again and again, instead of writing the number for 10 times or 4 times, we can write it as what we are doing here, we are adding number 4 how many times? 4 times. So we will write the symbol called cross or into symbol for multiplication. This means we are adding number 4 times. Okay, so this is the symbol of multiplication. We will say this cross or into symbol. Okay, so this means we are adding number 4 times, which is nothing but 16, because if we add 4 for the 4 times, we will get answer is 16. So 4 multiplies with 4 cross 4 into 4 is nothing but 16. Okay, so let us see one more example for this. Okay, so the example here you see, we will take 3 students from our class. Okay, so Ramu, Sita and Bunty. Okay, Ramu has 2 chocolates, Sita has 2 chocolates, and Bunty also has 2 chocolates. All right, so Ramu, Sita and Bunty has two chocolates. So total how many chocolates we have? Total how many chocolates we have? 6. So how many times we are adding number 2? We are adding number 2 3 times. So 2 multiplies with 3 will give you 6, right? We are taking 3 students, right? Each student is having two chocolates. So we are adding number 2 3 times, which will give you number 6. So this is your multiplication sign. What is multiplication? Means you are adding a same number again and again. So instead of writing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 for n times, we are writing it as 2 multiplies with 3, means we are adding number 2 for 3 times, which will also gives you answer 6. Okay, so let us do one exercise. Okay, so in this exercise what we are doing is we're just taking the concept and trying to understand what we are doing. Okay, now you can see here we are having 9 for 4 times. Number 9 we are having for 4 times, 1 2 3 4. Now you add it, what you will get? You will get number 36, right? We are getting number 36. Now what we have to do, you have to fill these blanks. We are adding number 9 for how many times? 4 times, which will give you answer as 36. Okay, here we are adding number 2 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will gives you 10. So how many times number 2 is added? 5 times. So here what you will write? 5. Now what we are doing, 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equals to 21, right? So we are adding number 7 for how many times? 3 times. So in this blank what you have to write, 3 is given. So what we are adding 3 times? Number 7, right? You're getting my point. Same way, now 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now you are adding number 5 for 4 times, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So we are adding number 5 for 4 times, which will give you 20. Okay, here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? Number 3 is added for the 5 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, now what you have to do is, what is the symbol you will write here, whether it is a plus sign, minus sign or multiplication sign. You are saying that number 3 is added for 5 times, so here you will write multiplication sign. Okay, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. You are adding number 6 for 2 times. Alright, so here 2. This way you can do multiplication and understand what is multiplication. Okay, it is nothing but adding a same number for again and again. Okay, so instead of writing these many numbers, you are adding just 2 numbers with a sign called multiplication sign. Okay, so let's move further. We will do one more exercise. Okay, and this is a simple one. What you have to do is, you just have to match the logs with the keys. Okay, here you are giving a number, so from this you have to match. Okay, so what is given here? 2 multiplies with 9, means we are adding number 2 for 9 times. So let us see here where you are adding number 2 for 9 times. Here it is 4, no, here it is 2. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will goes with this, right? We are adding number 2 for the 9 times. Here 7 multiplies with 3, which is nothing but we are adding number 7 for how many times? 3 times, right? So 7 multiplies with 3, 7 plus 7 plus 7, right? So this will go here. Now 4 multiplies with 4, means we are adding number 4 for how many times? 4 times. So it will go here. Simple way, right? So these all are the exercise you can practice in your home also. Okay, so let me give you one simple example. We'll be having certain steps. Okay, now frog is jumping. What frog is doing? He is jumping. So I'll tell you, in each jump frog misses three steps. Okay, so steps will be there. So in one jump frog skips three steps. Okay, you can see here these are your steps. One step, you are having total 18 steps. Frog is starting from here, he is jumping here, he is missing 3 steps, 1 2 3. Okay, he is missing 3 steps. Same way he's miss 3 steps every time he jumps. Okay, so first time 3, second time 3, 3 3 3 3. Total he took 6 jumps. Okay, frog took 6 jumps. In each jump frog misses how many steps? He skips how many steps? 3 steps, right? So total how many steps he skipped? What we are saying is frog misses 3 steps in each jump, right? So how many times he jumped? 6 times. So we are adding number 3 for 6 times. First jump 3 steps, second jump 3, third 3, fourth 3, fifth 3, sixth 3. So what we have to do, we have to all the steps. So instead of writing 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, what we can write? 3, we are adding number 3 how many times? 6 times, right? So 3 multiplies with 6 is nothing but 18. So total how many steps is there? 18 steps. So how many steps frog skips? 18 steps. Okay. Okay, so this way we can understand what is multiplication. Okay, you guys try some more examples and let me know.